In this video, I will show you how to make a copy of a Word document. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, open up the Word document you wish to duplicate or make a copy of. Then, click File at the top of the ribbon, select Save As, and then identify where you want your file to be saved. This is version 1, so the new version that I'm going to make, the copy, is going to be version 2. And then select Save. It will then open up the new version. As you can see at the top, it says version 2. An additional way to make a copy of your Word document is to find it on your computer. Here is my first document. I can right-click it, then select Copy, then in a new space here, right-click again and click Paste. There is a new copy of this document. If you want a shortcut to do this even faster, select the file, press Ctrl C, then unselect it and press Ctrl V, and this will make a copy of that file. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more quick tips to use in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.